Yes, guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's 2-minute tech taster is all about the GoPro Hero 11 and the audio. So I'm shooting straight from the camera. I'll show you guys now. I'm not using anything whatsoever, no microphones or anything, and we're just going to test the audio levels with something that's loud, which is a drum kit. I'm going to play a bit of drums, I'm going to play some music along with it, and it's just straight raw audio for you to hear what it sounds like. As you guys may know, I'm a musician as well as a photographer, and a lot of the times we love to record things. We love to record when we're on stage and when we're playing, so this could be the perfect thing for us. But yeah, let's test the audio levels out now.